Oped. So let me quickly show you how to make a sachet mockup using your Pixellab app and then your Picsart app. So we are using these two apps to make our sachet mockup. But first, we need to design the sachet before creating the mockup. Now, we are creating a peanut burger design, and then we need to delete this default text. Delete the default text. Now that you've deleted the default text, first thing is to set your image size. Click the three dots at the right top corner of Pixellab app. Click on image size, then make this width 920. So the size for this sachet mockup is 920 by 1280. Click on OK. Once you click on OK, you can then proceed with the color. Select this part. Once you click that part, you'll be able to select color. So make the color white. It depends on the color you want to use for your design. So I'm using white for this sachet mockup. Now I need to bring in other elements and tests to make up the design. So select this part and click on import. Import the image from gallery. So from gallery, select the image of your peanut. This image from dreams time. So now let's blend it together with the background. Let's blend it together with the background by using our eraser tool. To use your eraser tool, click on it, adjust the size of your eraser and adjust the opacity. So increase this one to the last part and then erase the upper part of your design like this. So once you are done, activate it and proceed with the next thing. So I'm bringing in the coconut just to make an effect on it. I'll go to import again. So select this part and click on import. So select this, we take it to the back and then adjust the size. So after adjusting the size, make sure it blends well with your design. Make sure it blends well with your design. Can you see the realistic effect? So select circle as a shape. Select circle as a shape. So once you select circle as a shape, adjust it and make the color. You can select a color close to the peanut burger. It depends on how you want your design to be. So I'm using this color, orange like yellow. So now let's write the text peanuts, cocoa peanuts burger. So let's write it one after the other. Cocoa. So now we select font, go to fonts. Once you click on font, you select your font. We are using this Stretch Pro font. Stretch Pro font. Adjust the size of your text and then select color. If you click on color, you can make it brown color just to go together with this design. You can align it to the middle, for best results. Copy that same text after adjusting it. Copy and make it cocoa peanuts. Okay. After writing peanuts, adjust the size as well. After adjusting the size, select color. Once you select color, select white color, adjust it to the middle. Now let's write a new text. Click on text, edit the default text and write burger. Once you write burger, click OK, bring it here and then go to font again. Select font. Once you click on font, you then locate your font you are using. I'm using Crinkis font here. Here is Crinkis font. You can adjust the size and padding of your text. Let me make it 12. So adjust it to the middle, size it up, select black color or the color that suits your own selection, but make sure you are using the right colors for your design. This design is done now, so I can proceed to save and then go ahead with my mockup in Picsart. So click here for saving it, save as image. You don't click save to gallery. Once your image is saved, you can now proceed with the mockup. So let's go into our Picsart app. Here is Picsart app here. Click on it. Once you open your Picsart app, you just click on start editing. After clicking on start editing, you need to select your mockup file first. Let's select, click on see all, then we locate our mockup file in this design and our gallery. In this gallery, okay, which one do we need to use? Let's use this. Let's use this. So once your mockup is loaded, you can now go scroll the lower part and click on add photo. Click on add photo. Click on add photo. After selecting the image, you click on add, which is at the top right corner of your screen. So once it brings it in like this, can you see, you take it to the part where you want it to be and adjust the size. The size is too big, reduce it, increase a bit. So make it cover up all the mockup file. Now you scroll the lower part again until you get to blend. Can you see? Click on the blend. Once you click on blend, you can now select several options at the top of it. You see, once you click blend, it will show these options. Can you see? So you can now select the one you want. We are using multiply here. Can you see once? So if the color of your image is not showing very well, you can go to adjust your mockup. Can you see? So brightness can be adjusted, contrast can be adjusted. So once you adjust the contrast and brightness, you are good to go. Clarity can also be adjusted if you want, but it's not so necessary for this type of design. So here is how to create a mockup of Sachet in your mobile phone using Picsart, using Pixellab.